Okay, so I'm looking at a Olympia reporter. I took the case off. I got the Typewriter here, and I've got it plugged in to power. Everything seems to. The first thing, this belt was off, and I put it back on. Things are working. It doesn't seem to be too loose. And then I blew out a bunch of dust that was here and put some WD-40 over here. So now the power return seems to work. However, when typing, you'll see that the carriage doesn't advance. But if I put, pressure with my hand and then, push space, it'll go. But I have to hold it. I have to be pushing it here with my hand to come back. The one problem I noticed is this string is loose, and I feel like it ends up back here on this wheel, and I'm not 100% sure what it does. It's connected to the part of the carriage, but it's not on this wheel, and nothing that I do seems to be able to turn it. So I'm wondering if that's the key to getting this to work, or if there's something else I need to be looking at. Thanks a lot.